Look at this color. Look at this color. Look at the color. Look at the color. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 girl. Hey, boy. How you doing? How you feeling? Oh, we feeling good. We feeling good. Oh, I got a lot to tell y'all about this wig. It's a real simple, easy plop and go. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button and let's go ahead and talk about her. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, what's up, y'all? Y'all ready to talk about this wig? Let's go ahead and talk about this Bobbi Boss wig, because I have legit been waiting for, I want to say, this color for a whole year. Yes, a whole year. Bobbi Boss does not really restock their wigs. I don't know what the deal is, but I reviewed a wig in, like, it was called what's this color called? Vivi Candy. Oh, I gave y'all a hint. All right, so I reviewed a Vivi chalk last year. Oh, I fell in love with that wig. I've reviewed, it was Harmony, but I straightened it, y'all. And anyway, the point is that I can't find the color. I can't find the wig. I can't find nothing, you know, because Bobbi Boss just been like under a rock. But they coming back, y'all. They slowly coming back with these new drips. You know what I'm saying? So this color that I have, first of all, I gotta tell y'all about the wig. I'm excited. I'm excited. Can y'all tell I'm excited? So we are reviewing this Boss Lace wig today, and her name is, what's her name? What is your name, girl? CERSEI? Y'all, I can't. So we reviewing this wig today. CERSEI MLF537 CERSEI, okay? And the reason I'm excited is because it's not necessarily the style of the wig, but like I said, it's this color. Y'all saw it on the thumbnail. Okay, so let me go ahead and take her out. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Okay, she is definitely giving me Vivi chalk vibes. Woo! How y'all doing? How are you guys doing? I'm feeling good. I'm kind of happy that I'm back in my filming mode, because while I was off, as much as while you're off, you say you're gonna get all this stuff done, y'all, but I ain't get nothing done. I didn't get nothing done. I was like a straight bum, y'all. I didn't even want to get out the bed. I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to relax. I didn't want to look at my computer. I didn't post. I didn't really look at other people's videos. I just really wanted to take a break, and I was enjoying the time with the kids. You know what? Y'all not here for that. I already told y'all earlier this week that I'm back, so we don't need to get into all that, but just know that I was enjoying my time off, and that's why I'm smiling. So look at this color. Look at this color. Look at the color. Look at the color. Okay, look at the color. Look at the color. This is what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for this color. So definitely giving me Vivi chalk vibes, but again, this is not Vivi chalk, this is Vivi Candy, okay? So the difference that I'm seeing off the bat is that Vivi chalk, if you guys are familiar with that color, if you fell in love with it, it seemed like it was all the way around the wig. This one is just straight giving me it in the front here, nothing in the back here, and it's giving me it right here on the side. So it's getting it on the sides, okay? But I'll take it, Bobbi. If that's all you got to give me, I'm gonna take it. So I'm liking the texture of this wig. It's that classy Bobbi Boss. You know how Bobbi Boss feels. It feels good. You're gonna get two combs in the front, one right here, one right here. You're gonna get a comb in the back, and you're gonna get just this simple part, guys. So this is just a plop and go lace part wig. It looks like it does come with some baby hairs, and also as far as matching my skin, guys, this is what it's looking like on my skin. So it's a little bit darker than my skin, so I'm not gonna have to use any lace tint spray, so that's a plus. So how y'all been doing? Y'all been doing like any New Year's resolutions or anything? Like, you know, what y'all been doing? Did one of you guys take breaks? Like, you know, the kids were home, so I decided to be home with them and just enjoy the time. I'm going to brush these baby hairs back with my hot comb, and I'm also going to cut the lace while I'm talking to you guys, okay? So if you made it this far through the video, this is going to be a random giveaway. We gotta start the year off right, y'all, okay? So I'm going to be giving away a gift card, $25 to 3 lucky people, okay? That's if you made it this far with my chit chat. All you gotta do is tell me, in honor of this color, do you like candy? Do you like candy? What's your favorite candy? That's all I want to know. Or what's your kid's favorite candy? Like, what candy can you not live without? Or do you just not like candy? Just say that. Like, my favorite candy is Skittles. Or I don't like candy. Something candy related. Leave a comment and you'll be entered in the giveaway. Okay? That's what we doing, y'all. That's what we doing. That's why you got to make sure those post notifications are on. That's why you got to hit subscribe right there. And that's why you need to watch the videos, because we dropping a lot of randomness this year. Okay, you like that? You like that? I like it. I like it. I like it. So I'm going to announce the winners in 2 weeks from when this video posts. So I'm not putting giveaway in the title. So do not say giveaway in the comments. Do not say I want to be entered in giveaway, anything like that. You'll be disqualified. The rules to the giveaways, you need to be subscribed. And I would say follow me on Miss Khrissy, but everybody doesn't have Instagram, but that could be a bonus, you know, but it doesn't make or break. But definitely comment below, okay? All right, y'all like that? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put her on. I appreciate all of y'all last year, this year, all my new people, all my people that's been rocking with me. Y'all really been keeping Miss Khrissy going, y'all. And as much as I took a break and I was like, you know what, I just want to enjoy family, I really missed filming. I missed being behind the camera. I realized how much this channel has brought me joy outside of my life. And I'm not saying that my life doesn't bring me joy, but I realized how much y'all mean to me, y'all, you know. So that's why I want to give back and just do a giveaway, y'all, because I want to show you guys how much I appreciate you. And it doesn't have to be a specific reason. It's just, I appreciate y'all, real talk, from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate y'all. Like, when I was not recording, I was really missing filming. I was missing it, y'all. Oh, my earring fell off, y'all. I'm just gonna pluck some of these hairs right here. And I'm just going to use this hot comb for these baby hairs. So I love the fact that I did not have to tint this lace, and look at it. Okay, I'm done. So I went in with a little bit of powder. I felt like I just wanted to widen up that parting space a little bit more, and I feel like the powder just does it. If you want, I guess you could pluck some hairs out, but I didn't feel like that was necessary. I love the fact that I literally just put this wig on and I didn't melt it. I didn't do anything. This is a very simple wig. This is beginner friendly wig. As far as the cap, it does feel pretty snug right now. I do feel like it would possibly loosen up over time, but it does feel a little snug, but it doesn't feel small. It just feels a little tight. She's definitely, I feel like I might be getting a headache, y'all. She's snug. She's snug, y'all. Maybe if I take my wig grip off, let me see if that would make a difference. Because, yeah, so the wig grip definitely made it feel a little bit more snug than it normally is. I feel like you won't be slipping because this wig is on your head. She hugging you, okay? So I don't feel like it's gonna slip off if you don't have a wig grip on with this, but I feel like it's a little bit more snug with the wig grip. Just my opinion. But I like it though. She's coming down all the way down to the sides, y'all. Like, I'm not having any issues with that. She is definitely coming down, but she is, yeah, I might be getting a slight headache, but I like her though. This is what she's looking like in the front and in the back with all the hair back. Nice little soft waves and nice texture. I like the texture. It's that classic Bobbi Boss texture. It's not too silky. It's not too yucky. It's nice. It's kind of giving me like, what wig was that? Adriana kind of vibes. Like, it's giving me that texture, but she feels good. Also, I must say that as much as I was waiting for this color to be restocked, I love that VV chalk color, but it did tangle quite a bit. I felt like the fibers that they used on that old color last year, it tangled. I don't know about y'all. Comment below and let me know if that color tangled on you, but right now this texture is feeling the same throughout. I'm not really getting much tangling. Again, use some serum, use some wig spray, use whatever you need to use, but the texture does feel like it's the same throughout. It says it's a MediFresh safe and clean cap, just so you guys know, and it says it's an antibacterial, great for ventilation. I feel like all the caps kind of were like that, but that's what it's saying now, and it's saying it blocks UV rays. Okay, so that's what they selling y'all now. Anti-protection, whatever. As far as the baby hairs, I did not use them. I don't feel like it's necessary, but I like the color in this one, guys. Comment below if y'all feeling like this color. I like the fact that this VV Candy, it's not all the way around. If you're not feeling too wild, but you're feeling a little spicy, you want to do something, you get it in the front, you know, you don't get it in the back, but you get it just right here. So I like that. You get your nice yellows, your orange, your blue, you know, your little funky vibes going on, and I'm here for it. So definitely go ahead and comment below if you heard earlier in the video what I said about this special video. Comment below if you don't know what I'm talking about. You gotta watch the whole video, okay? Go ahead and rewind real quick and catch up. As far as the price of this wig, I don't have my phone in front of me. I'll leave it right here. Oh, that's the price of the wig, okay? So that's how much she costs. Very beginner friendly, very easy. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Some people might think this density is a little thin, but I think she's great for every day. I like her. I think she's cute. I think she's a vibe. Make sure your notifications are on. Give this video a big thumbs up for me. Until next time, I will talk to y'all later. K-babes. Y'all like that? K-babes or K-beauties? I don't know. Comment below too what y'all want to be called. All right. Let me know what y'all think. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.